Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that. And I want to share with you something incredible. Hey, I want to talk to you about income producing activities and how I have made $4,100 in a little over 3 months, and it's been right out of the gate. And I will show you, so stick to the end. I will show you proof of what I'm talking about in my back office. And actually today I made $650 in my bank account. And so what I wanted to say too is that I made this money, starting out. I didn't wait 6 months, I didn't wait 9 months, I didn't wait a year before this kind of income started coming in. Because when you start a business, you figure it's going to take time, and you're going to have to do work for a while, and it's going to, take months. It did not take months. I mean, this is a little over 3 months, and I've already made $4,100 and going. It keeps going up. And so, and the other thing too is that I got paid 23 times. I mean, how many times do you get paid in 3 months? Once a month? Twice a month? I mean, I get paid 23 different times, several times in a week, and on with my income producing activities, which is pretty amazing. There is nothing out there like this. Nothing. I assure you, that does this, that has this kind of program, that has this kind of simple way to earn an income, and yet you're doing things that 6-figure people do, but you're learning to do them consistently, and that's what makes a difference. Anything you do consistently, creating a habit like that, and these are income producing habits, so they're going to produce income, and that's really the key with what we have here. Your daily habits will produce, and they're simple tasks, and like I said, you have to be consistent, and that's the key of being able to do this program. And that's what I have done. That's why I have earned that income, because of the income producing activities. And you're like, well, what's that mean? What is that? And it's an incredible training that is epic. My grandkids could do it. I do it. That's the point. It's not hard at all. A lot of activities these guys do that bring in income aren't hard, and they're simple. It's just that you got to have the drive to do it consistently, because if you don't, it's not going to work. So if you apply the training and you do consistently what you are trained to do, those are the income producing activities. It is a course that trains you that I've never seen before. Brings in your traffic, that helps you earn money while you're learning these income producing habits and what it entails, and how that impacts your bottom line. That you need an income, you need to help others. It's always wonderful to help others. If you're going to earn money, you want to bring a bunch of people with you, because people need another income or a full-time income, especially now when people can't work at their jobs and so many crazy things are happening. that this is important. This is so important. Helping others is so very important, and these income producing activities work. Now the beauty is, if you've ever had a business or started one, you know, you always kind of focus on the sales and the telling and the getting people in so you can work, make money. But with this, you don't do that. That's the key. You do not. You do your income producing activities that have nothing to do with selling. You don't focus on that. You focus on your income producing activities. It sounds crazy, but it is so well put together, this training that we do. You just never would have guessed how incredible it is. And it is. And I've earned $4,100 that I will show you in my back office at the end of this video, so you can see the proof, the real proof that it is working. And I have to share because I want people to be able to do this too, and to be able to have money for whatever they need right now, for whatever's going on, whatever this pandemic has done to their life, or an extra income, you know, whatever you gotta have. I want that to be available, because this is so unique. It is so incredibly different than anything you've ever seen. The lady that put this together did it during the pandemic, by the way. She created this model because she was stuck home in the pandemic. She couldn't go anywhere. Kids couldn't go anywhere. So what did she do? She stayed home, created this entire business model, and it is brilliant. This business model is brilliant. And the way she has done it has made it very, very good for us. Usually companies make it good for them. She's made it good for us. And that is a rare thing you're going to find online, and definitely highly recommend a program with this kind of income, that if you apply the training, you will make money. It's not, well, maybe I'll get in to see if it works. It works. Totally works. And my proof will show you that it totally works. And it's really, really well put together. She really, really did something I've never seen in online marketing before, ever. And that's just a gift that she could do that, and that we could benefit from it, because we are benefiting from this. And you definitely want to check it out and see how this can benefit you. Of course, it's an income stream. Who doesn't want a second income stream or a full-time income stream? Like now, at the end of the month, I'm going to Florida for a month, because I'm an entrepreneur and I work from home or from Florida or wherever I'm at. And it's the best way to live, because now my mom's got a 90th birthday party and I'm not going to miss it. I'm going down for a month to spend with my mom, because, you know, I'm in Alaska. I'm a long ways. So when I go down there, I stay a while. And I don't have to ask permission from my boss or try to figure out how to juggle my work and be able to be with my mom. I do my work wherever I'm at. And people like that freedom, especially with kids and everything that's going on. You want to be there for them. You want to be part of their life. You want to be able to go and do what you want when you want. And probably in December, we'll go to Las Vegas and spend a few nights there and just enjoy the warmth, right? Because it's December and Alaska's a little chilly. So it'll be kind of a fun vacation to go somewhere where it's warm and lots going on. I mean, I want to hear Frankie Valli sing. I remember when I was younger and his 45 single came out, and I love it. And it's just going to be a blast. It's going to be fun. It's a great life being an entrepreneur, and I have so enjoyed it. But this program is the best I've ever seen. Far as, I mean, I only work like 2 hours a day. You know, I do my income producing activities. It doesn't take more than 2 hours. Very simple, and I'm done. You know, and then I do whatever I want to. And being on an island, I have plenty I can do. There's so much beauty. And because I like photography, well, I do lots of photos and stuff too, because I love to capture the beauty and share it with people on my Facebook too, because they never see it, or it's on their bucket list, but they've never been up here. So I enjoy that. I really do. And of course, I enjoy my grandkids so very much. And I just wanted to be able to tell you about this income producing activity. It's the most incredible way to earn money online. and give you info on it. When this is done, I'm going to go in and record my financial back office so you can see that the last payment I got was today at $650, so that's always exciting. So I'm going to go in there and show you all that, and then you want to go to my description in my down below my video and go to my website and get more info. You know, join our Facebook group, because that's going to be a very cool place to get also info, to see us in action, really, to see how that works in there and what that does. And it's another good place to learn more, and that's really simple. So I really appreciate watching, but stay tuned for my real proof, and then just go to my website and check us out. Thanks. Bye from Alaska. 5600 and on, down there. Plus, here's my name, Cheryl Traxler. So this is the inside back office of my Stripe account. And I also have made $350 before we set up the Stripe account, because I got in at the very beginning and started, and we didn't have it then. So that brings me to a total of $4,100. So appreciate you staying to the end to see the real proof. So make sure you go check out my website